This issue gives you a BMW F10. Disassembly method of 5 Series steering wheel. Step E. Removing airbag. The first step is to remove the airbag. Find 6 o'clock down here. Poke it in with a screwdriver. Poke into the spring, then tilt down, This spring will spring up the airbag. Just pull this little plug out. The airbag was pulled out. Step R. Remove the key. The second step is to remove the button. Turn it over and find the 2 screws at the back. Loosen the screws. Then press the key to dilate directly. The cable connecting the keys should be unplugged. Step 3. Remove the trim cover. Step 3. Remove the trim cover because it's buckled. Just pull it up. So it's disassembled.
Focus on us.